गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मेरा नाम चंदन कुमार सिंह है। आज मैं क्लास 10th के लेसन नंबर 3 जो कि एवोल्यूशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर है उसके बारे में इंग्लिश मीडियम के बताने आया हूँ। अगर आपने इस चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, सबसे पहले आप लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर दें। अगर कोई क्वेश्चन है तो उसे आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताएं। ठीक है, चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं। लेसन नंबर 3 जो कि क्लास 10th इंग्लिश मीडियम का है, एवोल्यूशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर। ओके, as you all know that computer is an electronic device which take input from us, process it and give us output. That is the role of computer system. But computer system are engaged a very years ago, just like abacus. As you all know that abacus is a type of computer, a type of calculator that was built in 5000 year ago at China. It is a type of calculator that can calculate the given value, just like 5 plus 3, 5 minus 3, 7 minus 4. These type of calculation we can do into the abacus computer. Okay, abacus is just type of machine that is built like this. Okay, this is a surface area of the abacus. Each and every machine there have some balls and we have to count these balls. Okay, यहाँ पर कुछ लोहे की आयरन की छड़ें लगी होती हैं और उन छड़ों में हम लोग बॉल्स को जो है मिट्टी के बॉल्स को यहाँ चिपका देते थे और इन बॉल्स को हम जो है कैलकुलेट करने का काम करते थे। ठीक है, तो कैलकुलेशन के लिए एज यू सी दैट इफ यू वांट टू कैलकुलेट 5 plus 3, तो 1 2 3 4 5 balls plus 3 balls, 1 2 3, it means 5 6 7 8. It means the total number is 8. Okay, so these type of things are doing into the abacus computer. Okay, it was built in China. Okay, Pascaline is a type of machine that was made by the Blaise Pascal in year 1642. It is a machine that was built by the French mathematician Blaise Pascal, and it is a mechanical calculator, digital calculator called Pascaline. It is a arithmetic machine. It means 0 to 9 numbers type of values we can calculate in this type of calculator, and this is called Pascaline. Okay, another one is difference engine. What is difference engine? A difference engine is a first machine that print the given value on the paper, on the hard copy, and it was made by the father of computer, Charles Babbage, in year 1821. Okay, so this device is a type of machine that has some levers and it can calculate all the given data and it can print also the given data onto the paper, A4 size paper. This type of machine is known as difference engine. Okay, the another thing is known as analytical engine. Difference engine was made by Charles Babbage and analytical engine is also made by the Charles Babbage, because analytical engine is a modified coding that was used in the difference engine, but suddenly the Charles Babbage was passed out and it cannot be taken their full things. Okay, तो एनालिटिकल इंजन जो है वो पूरी तरीके से बन नहीं पाया था। अब नहीं बन पाया था तो उसकी वजह से इसमें जो हम लोग काम करते थे वो पूरी तरीके से नहीं हो पाया। ठीक है, उसके बाद हम लोग अगर बात करें अगले कंप्यूटर की, तो अगला जो कंप्यूटर है वो है ENIAC. ENIAC, as you all know, the first electronic computer of the computer history, and it was built in year 1946. It was built by two computer scientists, and they are known as J. Presper Eckert and John Mauchly. They are the mathematician and physician in the Pennsylvania University and Murray School of Engineering, and they made the first electronic computer, ENIAC. This computer can work through the vacuum tube. In ENIAC, 18,000 vacuum tubes are enrolled, and all vacuum tubes are connected with each other through the wires. Okay, the ENIAC is a big size machine, and it takes so many energy, it produces so many energy, so it cannot जो है ये चल नहीं सकता था बहुत ज़्यादा देर तक. इट कैन टेक सो मच इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, इस वजह से ये बहुत ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं चल सकता था. ठीक है, तो ये ENIAC है. अब हम एडवेक की बात करेंगे. एडवेक क्या है? इट वाज बिल्ड इन 1949 बाय Moschle and J. Presper Eckert. John von Neumann are also make some advices to the John Moschle and J. Presper Eckert. So an ADVAC is a type of machine that have some storage point, and it takes some internally part to save the given data that was given by the user. Okay, now next one is ACE. ACE is automatic computing engineer type of condigned to the first programmable digital computer such as developed in 1950. Okay, so the ACE computer is known as automatic computing engineers type of machine. It can calculate all the given data and calculate it very fastly. Okay, now UNIVAC. It is known as Universal Automatic Computer. Okay, Universal Automatic Computer, it means was developed by in 1951 by John Moschle and J. Presper Eckert. It is time to first commendedly successful computer. Okay, commercially it was the first commercial computer that have some features to do the commercial thing, to the accounting thing. This type of thing we are doing into the UNIVAC, Universal Automatic Computer. As you all know, the computer that was known as personal computer, PC, are very useful for the computer user, because PC has all the given purpose thing that was made some easy work for the user, and this is known as personal computer. Now we have talked about the generation of computer. As you all know, computer have 5 generation: first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, and fifth generation. Okay, so first generation, second generation, third generation, and fourth generation and fifth generation, these are the type of computer that was mainly used for the things that was just like first generation are used the vacuum tube. Vacuum tube are the such type of thing that was made by the glasses. Okay, now second generation of computer are used transistors, and it can work faster than the first generation of computer. Okay, third generation of computer are used IC, integrated chips, and through the IC the computer size are very small, and it could adjust on to the table. So third generation of computer are very exceptional things that are used by the computer user. Okay, fourth generation of computer, nowadays of computer are known as fourth generation of computer, and it is used the microprocessor and VLSIC and ULSIC, very large scale integrated circuit, and ultra large scale integrated circuit. These type of things are used into the fourth generation of computer. Okay, fifth generation of computer, it is always used for the robotics and just type of thing of that use artificial intelligence. So this type of generation of computer are used in to make the artificial concept for the use of supercomputer, mainframe computer. These type of thing are known as the fifth generation of computer. Okay, okay. Types of computer, there are 3 types of computer that was probably known as by the user: analog, digital, and hybrid computer. Okay, analog computer are those type of computer that are used in to calculate the speed, the horizontal speed, just like bikes, these type of computer are used into to control the speed of the bike. Okay, digital computer, nowadays type of computer just like PC, mainframe, mini, supercomputer, these type of thing are known as digital computer. Hybrid computer, a hybrid computer can make the such things that are used by the doctor, just like MRI machine are a type of hybrid computer. Okay, digital computer are four types: micro, mini, mainframe and super. Micro means small computer that was used by the user, just like mobile phone, tablet, personal computer. These type of things are known as microcomputer. Okay, mini computer are used for the banking sector, for the railways. These type of computer are used in there. Okay, mainframe computer, these computer are mainly used for the scientist work, for bigger work that are used for the servers. Mainframe computer are mainly used there. Okay, now last one is supercomputer. Supercomputer, it is a type of device that was used for the scientist work, for the aerospace work. Okay, this type of work that was done by, in the supercomputer. Okay, so that's it for the today. Thank you.